Hello, I'm Edu from Edu4Java, and this is the Android tutorial number 5. The title of this tutorial is Navigating with Intent. We are going to navigate from our form that we create in the last tutorial to another activity using an intent. The other activity we are going to call result. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is take this button, add, let's say aggregate cancelar. For the cancel button, I'm going to put on cancel click method. Okay. These boxes, text boxes, if you remember, the ISBN for the last text box. In that way, I'm going to catch the content from the Java code. Now we are going to create the second activity. The activity that is going to receive the intent from our form activity. Okay, here I'm going to add a result layout that I have already prepared, and I need two new strings constant. One result, that is resultado, result in Spanish, and result, okay, that is inserción exitosa del libro. That from Java code to put the data that came from the other activity, that the data that we are going to send through the intent. If you remember, intent was like a message from one activity to other activity. Okay, we need to add result in the default package, and I put a label for this activity that is result, the string result, constant. Okay, here I bring going to add the methods to handle the on-click events. If you remember, we create two methods here. What we are going to do is create a new intent. The intent, we are going to set the component with a new component that we create using a reference to this and result class, that is the class for the new activity. Then we are going to use put extra to add data to the intent. In this case, we are going to add a string called cancel as a data with a label cancel. We can, and to end this, we are going to call start activity, and we are send an intent. Start activity, we are going to send an intent. The start activity is a method for that we get from the activity class. Okay, the result class is the one that is going to receive this intent, and in onCreate, as you can see, the typical call to the supper, the father, and set content view with the layout result XML that we already put is the same as any activity. And then we are going to get the text view component that we call result text in the ID. If you remember, we define an the result text, we are going to set the text in the result text as operación cancelada. That means canceled operation. Okay, operation cancel. Yeah. Result. No, it's not here. Let's go to form to see the onAddClick method. That is the method that we are going to get when somebody click on add button. Here we get a reference for the three components that where we are going to put the title, author, and ISBN in the form. Okay, we create a new intent. We set the class in the intent reference to the result class. Component, and we get the text and put this in the extra. We do the same with author and with ISBN. Then the intent have all the data. We call start activity and send the intent. Now I'm going to start the emulator because if you remember, the first time take a little long. and while we wait for the emulator, we're going to see what happened with the result when the result activity receive the add click. Okay, that click is not going to have the intent is not going to have in the bundle cancel. Then we are going to end up here. Here we get from the bundle the book title, the book author, and the book ISBN that we are going to use to fill the result text, as you can see here. Okay, we are going to use a string stored in the string xml, if you remember result OK, and get string. This is the way we get a string resource from the Java code. We send as parameter the constant that identify the string resource, and then you can see here we are going to get like 222, okay, 333, 444. This agregar, that is add, and we get this in the other activity, inserción exitosa de un libro Juan. Okay, libro and un have no space. We have the space here, but does not work. Okay, anyway, we can fix this in result. We can put just here a space, and this is all. Okay, yeah. That is r.string cancel up. Oh, I have to save it in order to get the compilation. String dot cancel up. Okay, then back. And then we get the cancel. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.